Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. Hi friends, welcome to the card kit of the month for September 2025. I'm featuring the bundle called Label Me Grateful. I'm also using Secret C, which is one of the in colors, and like literally it's become my new black. I really like it because it's not as harsh and stark as black, but it's not as light as gray. Does that make any sense? There's some kind of blue in there that helps. I don't know. I'm loving it. So I'm using that for my sentiment. Now this label comes with the bundle and the dies, obviously, and it fits this sentiment so well. And the sentiment says, "So grateful for that heart of yours." And it is just lovely. So I'm sure that you could, if you, whatever stamp that you have in your stash would work for this. I obviously didn't stamp anything for you. And the pattern paper that I'm using is called Timeless Plaid. The SKU number is 1648678. Anyway, and I just used a whole bunch of different colorways, so everybody's going to get something different as opposed to what is shown here in the example. But I just put some Seal Plus adhesive on the back side of the pattern paper, and then these card stock pieces that I specifically cut into that angle is kind of giving a little bit of a illusion that one of my papers was cut on angle and one was straight across. So it is kind of a neat little illusion, but it's not, because we're just covering up some of the paper with our cardstock. So I think I'm using Calypso Coral here and Basic Beige. I think there's a Lost Lagoon one, and there's a whole bunch of different colors that I chose to run with. And yeah, I'm adhering the cardstock about an inch from the bottom, and then both pieces. And then I suppose if you wanted to embellish this, that's up to you. And I probably would. I would probably put some gems on or like embellishments on the right hand side, but that's pretty much where I'm going to leave this card kit for you. So thank you all so much for spending time with me today. For the comments you leave, I really do appreciate them. For the thumbs up and all the YouTubey things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it, as it really helps my small channel grow. So thanks again for watching, and bye for now.